Neha, your son is looking so tired and have cough also. Yes, Mona, I show my son to many doctors, but there is no response. My son also have some problems, but when I use 11 Punch Tulsi drops, see my son, he is so much active, energetic and fit. Whoa! I also use 11 Punch Tulsi drops. Tulsi helps to fight more than 200 diseases like flu, dengue, swine flu, fever, cough, cold, urine disorder, gout, swelling lungs, stress, vomiting, etc. 11 Punch Tulsi drops also works as an immunity booster.